Hey everyone! So here's the new updated version of the TriPenCase, the Kakusta inspired pencil case. I increased the recess portion of the design so that you can go ahead and print these doodle style covers. So there's two versions that I made, and it looks really nice once you have it into the case itself. So this one, the button, you can also do a multicolor print, but since it's printed in this orientation, there's going to be so much filament waste, so I decided to just print it in a single color. In order to be able to put this on, I'm using a super glue. We have this, it's called a Mighty Bond. So for the design, you can pretty much put it in any orientation that you want, and make sure you have ample airflow when you use this super glue, since it smells really bad and it hurts the eyes as well. So I just dab. So it just slides into place like so, and then just hold it for a few seconds and then it's good to go. So again, press it down for like a few seconds and it should stay in place since it dries quickly. Don't forget to cover your super glue. I usually tend to leave it out and it dries out. And then for the lock, goes in and then slowly slide it in. There you go. Let's see. Where do I say? Part of that overhang. And there you go.